Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Equalizer preset for your earbuds Edifier Neo Dots. You have to start by open Edifier Connex application. Of course you need to add these earbuds to the app, and after that you will see the same menu. You need to go to the sound effect, this is the second line, tap at this line, and right here we have customized, so we need to tap at this line also, and then click again here. And now we can add this preset, so just make something good for you. Also you can set frequency, and then you can just go back, and if you return here we have this selected preset. We can also click at the plus, and you can or scan QR code or just create a new one. Let's call it test, and then click save at the right top. And now we have this second preset, so you can also make something good here. And also you just go back, return, and we see that it's saved. Now to remove it you need to click more at the right top, and we have selected preset, so we use test right now, and right here we have rename it, reset it, so you will have it by default, or delete it, or share, of course, yeah, delete and delete. And as you can see we did it. Now let's try to reset it. Yes, and as you can see we have it by default. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing for channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.